Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on TradingView. The first thing that you need to know is that you can stop loss immediately right here on TradingView. You need to connect a broker. So what you need to do in the first step is you need to go here to trade and then make sure that you connect the broker that you are using. If you don't have any idea how to do that, don't be scared and check out one of the videos that I created. So search on my channel for your broker and there I show you exactly how you can do this. Then after that, we can start. So let's say we want to create ourselves a position for Bitcoin with a stop loss. Then what we're going to do is search right here for BTC, click on Bitcoin, and now we are having here the Bitcoin chart. Now we want to create ourselves a position with a stop loss. So what we're going to do is we click here on buy. And then right here, what we're going to do is fill in right here how much you want to buy. I'm using right here a demo account, so it won't cost me anything. But let's say we want to buy $500 of Bitcoin. Then you fill in 500. You can also switch it like this if you are having units right there. So now switch it and then we go down. And now at exits, we have here stop loss price. So what we're going to do right now is we fill in a nice price range that if he hit that price range, he will close or trade automatically. So also when we are not online or when I'm not home, he will close or trade when he will hit that amount. So let's say when he will hit 60K, then he will close or trade. So now we are doing that. And if I click now here on buy the Bitcoin, you see right here that we created ourselves a nice position with the price and right here a stop loss. So now if he will hit the 60K, he will close or trade and will stop our losses. So this is how you can stop loss right here on TradingView. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.